is what my hair looks like. Today would actually make 2 weeks of having this hairstyle. So it's been 2 weeks since I got this silk press, and this is what my hair looks like. I have done absolutely nothing to my hair except for the hack that I'm going to share with you in a few minutes. I have not rolled it, I have not flat ironed it, I have not pin curled it, I have done nothing but this hair hack that I'm going to show you in a few minutes. And this is what my hair looks like. Isn't that amazing? Like, I'm so glad my beautician told me about this hair hack, because otherwise I would have been struggling, y'all. Struggling. Okay, so let's get into the hair hack. I am so sorry that I have to interrupt this video, but I realized I did not welcome you guys. So, if you're new, please take the time to subscribe, and if you're not new, welcome back. Okay, back to the video. So, this is what my hair looks like right now, and all you need for this hair hack is a scrunchie. Now, I've been using silk scrunchies like this one or this one. I think I got this one from Amazon and this one from Target. I'll put the links down below in my description box, but so I'm going to use this one. So all I use is a hair scrunchie, and I'm going to put my hair on top of my hair in a bun. So I'm just going to start by putting it all, let me scoot back some so you guys can see. I'm just putting it in a bun on top of my hair. Now you guys are probably like, her hair is still straight. Yes, yes girl, it is. But the back is a little frizzy because I sweat in my hair. But other than that, my hair has really kept. Really, it has done really well with this. Okay, so this is my hair. I'm just putting it at the top of my head, and I'm gonna put the scrunchie in it. And I'm just gonna make like a ponytail, but then I'm gonna bring the hair halfway so that like this part of the curl stays out of the scrunchie. You see that? Like that? And I just bring it forward. And that's it. I literally go to sleep. So if you don't believe me, I'm about to get off now and go to sleep, and then I'll be back in the morning to show you what I do after I wake up. Okay? Good night. So it's actually 2 p.m. the next day. I have been wearing my hair in this bun since I left you last night. I'm about to go through the exact steps that I take when I take my hair out this bun. Okay? It's so simple. You ready? I'm taking my hair out the bun. And this is what it looks like. Right? And now I'm just manipulating my hair to fall exactly how I want it. So I know I want some over here. So this is what my hair looks like after I finish manipulating it to get it to lay how I want and fall how I want. My hair is shedding like crazy because it's actually time for me to wash my hair, but I was determined to show you all how I made this silk press last for 2 weeks. And look, the curls are still there. And as I said before, I did not recurl it, I did not flexi rod it. I literally just put my hair in that bun that I just showed you. And that's it. It looks like I literally just got my hair done. So now that I shared my secret with you all, are you gonna try it? Let me know below in the description box. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.